What's up, guys? It is a cold Saturday. It was just 80 degrees 2 days ago. It's like 45. So today, my neighbor, which also has a Mini Cooper, needs her headlights restored. They look all cloudy and doo-dooey. So we're walking over there, pick up her car. She also said her window's not going all the way up. So it might just need some indexing. Hopefully it's quick and dirty. And I might give her a little wash. I don't think she's washed the car in like 5 years. So yeah, it'll be fun. And she is British too, and she drives a Mini, which is pretty appropriate. I'll see if she wants to be on camera. All right, here's her Mini in question. It's the Clubman base model. Yeah, these things are really foggy. I can definitely help her out. And then, yeah. Oh, interesting. So the window is all kind of strange. I'll play with it, see if I can fix it. I'm filming. You want to be on the internet? Say something British. Just talk.
Oh, bloody hell, my goodness. It's good to see you, Mark. Thank you so much for working on my Mini today.
She's actually American. It's a made-up accent.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. So Emma she's a walking stereotype. She really is British. I'm not kidding. Where in England are you from?
Just outside Cambridge.
Cambridge.
Yes.
So look at her seat pillows.
And don't
That's
look
funny.
at the dirt.
Does it bother you that this is actually a German car now?
No, not at all.
No. Okay.
No.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go clean this guy up. Hopefully fix her window. Actually, after looking at it, it's not an indexing problem. It's just an angle problem. So I'm gonna see if I can get it back in. I did a video on this like a month ago, which is really funny.
Really?
Yeah. How to fix this. This is actually really funny. So, all right. So we'll take it to my house and get to work. Quite interesting being in the Clubman versus just a regular Mini. See if it drives any different in my ass. Feels identical. Clutch grabs the same. Slower, but that's okay. All right, let's go park this thing. Oh, there's my mother-in-law. All right, sorry to rain. So I had to bring this party in the garage. No big deal. I really want to watch this engine bay. I just don't know the time right now. So on a Mini, it's actually pretty nice because you can lift the hood. You don't really got to tape too much. I'll put something down here, but to restore these guys should be pretty quick and dirty. The kit I have, I've never used, but I've done something very similar before with really great success. So I'm going to post you up over here, my little stand, and I'll walk you through exactly what we got to do to get these guys looking brand new. All right, so here's the kit right here, ceramic headlight restoration kit. It comes with everything you need to do this job. So it looks like, this one's a little different. This one just says remove oxidation, repair surface. I'm sure it's the little standing pads, which I've used before. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here, holy cow. A whole bunch of gloves, man, they're very generous with the amount of gloves you get. Oh, cool. So you got a little pad. We're gonna do, looks like there's 2 steps to this guy. Step 2 is very, very simple. So it looks like we got our step 1, which is oxidation remover. Step 2, these little standing pads. I think you just wet sand it. And then step 3 is the actual ceramic clear coat. All right, step 1 here, like I said, all these little packages are labeled. It's pretty idiot proof. Got this down here, just cover the paint just in case. They give you a whole bunch of these step 1s, so they really want you to use these things. I'm just gonna wipe. And it should turn yellow per the instructions. It's kind of abrasive. Not quite sandpaper, but it's doing its thing. Once it says it's nice and yellowed up, to discard it and get another one. So we'll do that. And again, it says to do this in a circular motion, in case I didn't clarify that. We're gonna go ahead now and move on to step 2. For this step, you got 2 sanding discs, a red and a gray one for each side, if that makes sense. We are gonna wet sand this, super simple, don't overthink it. You wanna start with the 2000 and then the 3000. And it states very clearly, do not do this in a circular motion, but a uniform type motion, if that makes sense. So we'll wet the pad and the headlight. And we're gonna use each disc for about a minute. All right, that's pretty good for that one. Off. We will continue. This is more of the finishing type. And now once we dry this off, it should look pretty cloudy and doo-dooey, but that's okay. That's the idea. Let this guy dry for a minute, and we'll put on our ceramic. All right, so I'd say that's pretty dry. And then you only get 2 of these step 3s, which is all you need. This part's pretty fun. And then starting from the top, we're gonna go back and forth all the way down, overlap about 50%. So you're gonna do 1 coat of this, and after you do it, you should not let it hit moisture for 60 minutes. All right, let that guy dry. I'm gonna do the other side real quick and we'll see how it turns out. Boom, and there you go. It's pretty dang good. Not quite brand new looking, but I mean for what, $15, $18, pretty damn good. I'm pretty happy with that. I think she will be too. Now you can't dry this in the rain for about an hour, so I'm gonna let this sit. I can finish detailing a little bit and get some tire shine on the tires. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll have a reaction video here in a second. I'm gonna bring it back. Oh, so a total bonus, I was able to fix the window gap. It's funny because, like I said, I made a video on this, and it was just the window regulator can be adjusted in and out with the little drain deals underneath there. You just unscrew them, adjust it, and then tighten it back down. And here's a quick after before we go drop it off back at her house. Much better, much better. Hour of work, not too bad. All right, Emma, she's on the phone with Cox. What do you think? You like it? You're happy with it?
Absolutely love it. I love this man. He's awesome.
Oh, stop. All right, keep going.
Brilliant,
a little more.
brilliant. He's sexy, he's good looking.
I'm a married man, Emma. All right, cool. Well, enjoy your Easter.
You too.
And I'll see you when I see you. All right, bye.
Bye, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, well, that was a great success. I was able to fix the window for the most part and get the headlights restored and washed up pretty quick and dirty. She's happy, and she compensated me with a huge handle of Jim Beam, which is my favorite alcohol. So, all right, guys, it's Easter tomorrow. I'm gonna go relax, and I'll see you guys here in a couple days for another, I think a C5 video. I don't know. You'll get what you get. All right, guys, take care. Mark out.